Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NKLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, what used to be a fantastic looking chart, I mean, the bears have really taken things over. So before we zoom back in here, you can see that, and I mean, this one had everybody talking about it. Big move down, big move up, big move down, and then this was pretty cruel, a sucker bounce here. So it drew in a lot of people thinking, there's the reversal, and then from there has pulled back. And then again, I'm going to zoom back into the near term period of things. And in the very near term, as in over the, just the past few days, this has been getting a very, very nasty trend to it. And the best way to just kind of, I get it, it's one thing to say nasty, but what does that even mean? Well, that's the great thing about charts is they allow you to help visualize things. But the nasty trend you can see right there. I mean, just lower high, lower high, lower high, time and time again. And the bears are very clearly in full control, both from overarching standpoints. And then in the very near term, I mean, the bears have been, just being quite frankly cruel. I mean, the bulls can hardly breathe at all before the price gets pushed further and further down. But this also creates, in my mind, a very interesting situation. And by no means does the market give guarantees. My point here is this. A lot of people have noticed all this severe downwards pressure. So, I mean, any move at all where the price can get a break through that level very well could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, not a guarantee, but my point is it's a rational, it's a logical thought to have. So me personally, from the long side of things, I'm going to be watching that trend line very, very closely because if the price, like I said, can break above that level, that could create an interesting tradable opportunity. But until then, I mean, if the price bounces right here, I'm not interested because that could very well just get smoked right back down. The price could bounce up here, not interested. For me, I want to see if the price can break above that trend line right there. So that's going to be the main focal point to watch moving forward. As far as support levels are concerned, they really don't matter because this thing's basically a falling knife right now. But if the price can show some signs of strength via breaking to the upside of that trend line, then yeah, that could create a nice little, like I said, tradable opportunity. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.